Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action today pretty straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me today, I would say an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of somebody's basement over in Somalia. I'm just making this statement based on how the price acted today. And my definition of a price or of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's just first establish kind of where all this started. And for me, it started when the price actually broke out of this previous channel. And that channel is right there at, or I should say the top of that channel is at 23.5 cents. So if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see numerous times the price just kept getting rejected by that area, kept getting rejected. But right here is where the breakout happened. So, from, like I said, charting lingo, trading lingo, the breakout happened at 23.5 cents. So that is why I'm defining that as my starting point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, again, we established it started right there on the breakout and went all the way up there. I'm assuming we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same day, I'm once again assuming and hoping we can all agree that, all right, yeah, this was definitely a relatively short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, where did it start? Well, it started up here. Where did the price close today? The price closed all the way down there. So when you look at where it closed relative to where it started, I mean, the price is literally right back to where it started. And not to insult your intelligence, but I'm assuming that, we're all on board in the sense of price movements that are truly powerful, that have genuine strength, are going to progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they are. Do they need to explode the entire day? Absolutely not. But for a price to go right back, actually below where the breakout even happened, that is not a sign of strength by any stretch of the imagination. So that is what is, justifying me and qualifying me to say, that this is a pumping up. Now, can a whole new move start? Yeah, absolutely. I'm not saying that another bullish move can never, ever start. But as far as today's price action is concerned, yeah, back to the drawing board for the bulls because there is no true power behind it at all.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.